Alright guys, we got an unboxing real quick here. This is a set I got from Lone Survivalist. I ordered the executive knife. It is a very cool knife. It's a sleek take on their other knife, the black knife. So we're going to open this up. Then we got a couple other free goodies they sent in the box. So we're going to open it up. If I can. Get my cameraman to hold the camera steady. Looks like we're going to need a knife to get in here because, no, we're not. Maybe not. Is it taped? No, it's not taped at all. So, wow, look at that. Look at that unboxing experience right there. That is a knife. Not sure what this is, but extra. This must have been on the tip, I'm guessing. So we're going to pull this out. That is a good looking knife. Looks a lot like the one that I have. Look at my shadow knife. They're very similar with the Tonto blade, but this one has, you don't have to move it around so much, just kind of keep it, just keep it light. So it's a good looking blade, feels well in the hand, feels pretty sharp, folds up nice, comes out nice. So my other knife, the Shadow, which I haven't done a video on, it kind of comes out one-handed this way. So this knife is very fast. So it's lightweight. Let's see. We have a receipt we can cut. I always like to do the receipt test because it gives you a good measure of how sharp the knife really is. And trying to find something that I can actually cut without it being a big deal. Nope. I'm going to cut this Hallmark card in half. Let's see, here we go. Cut test. Actually, we're going to do one page because so pretty sharp out the box. Nice straight cut there. So pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead and put that one back in the box. And we'll find that. So we're going to open up this other thing. It's called a fire knife. It says blazing sharp. It is a extra knife that came with the box. I didn't order it. It just came extra, so it's kind of interesting. It's a little, looks like almost like a Spyderco knife, but it's got a carabiner, so it's designed to be obviously attached to something. So my guess is this is probably a flint. Yeah, so you got a flint and steel right here, so you can make your sparks. Take that off. Feels pretty sharp also. Closes up nice. So pretty slick. So that's the fire knife. Don't have too many other thoughts on it other than the fact that it looks cool. Probably be useful to have in a go bag or something like that. Close that up. And we got the standard Zippo emergency fire kit, waterproof storage canister. So this is designed to save the day. The emergency fire kit comes through when others turn back. It's compact, high caliber construction. Can overpower bleak conditions and fire up your campsite at a moment's notice. So it's got a Zippo flint spark wheel, waterproof storage canister, floats in water, reusable plastic construction and ergonomic texture with design with texture grip. And it's got a lanyard attachment. It's fire resistant, wind resistant, reusable, easy ignition, and pocket size. Let's go ahead and open it up. If we can get it out without breaking everything or having to cut it. Let's go ahead and open that up. Looks like it did get a little bit of water damage in the because it sat outside during a storm. So still good. Got your Zippo here. And I'm guessing this is the wick. this come out. Yeah, so there's the paper inside. Instructions. So it says how to replace flint. Emergency fire kit. So basically take this out of the package and I have to use my knife to cut this one. Just because it's a little bit annoying to open. Alright, so we put the stuff down here. And we've got our emergency little fire kit. And we close that off. And there we go. And we don't need all that trash. That's pretty much it. So we got the fire knife. You don't have to do them all like, you know, individually. Just got the executive. And we got this cool little Zippo fire starter kit. So that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time.